Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuan for Kelvin Taylor out USA. Abonten ote abrochi mem a ono te ho. Opese otutu ya na mo mayen e wo Ghana ha. Opese o kire ye kwan ye mfeso. Ono te abrochi na ono o kire ye ha wa yensin living your life for Ghana ha. Ono ko bi nke bi NDC party na ono ne dia. Nti chese waje party na aboso no oti America da nsemu sana Kelvin Taylor edi. Kelvin Taylor say Omampani abede akire His Excellency the Vice President Dr. Bawumai Northern Regional Osheda ene imam fo ne kokasa say hey me na me pepeni mama me mbedi o man ne so mo ne me nuanom ne nkasa won to mame Muslims have man reply say Kelvin Taylor jansemu na odi na oboa ye hu ne pa wo Vice President Dr. Bawumai no ne pese eto abama no nye hu nsemu a wote America edia ye hu ye sure because hu to me in America en chomu ba mba park ne so si yen nkobo obi untumi ntena America nka nchen de yenye Kelvin mana yente reply omode ama Kelvin Taylor
sun kremofo de asay omo nipa na kremofo mo tena ho na kremofo mo tena ho Kelvin Taylor say Imam bi afre no aka akire ne say Dr. Bawumai ahia ye be ne say Muslim leaders aka akire Muslim leaders ne say omonto abama no Dr. Bawumai no no ba obema ekushi o say Ghana be ye nkremuman tomonto abama na say Muslim sa asem we na ye ka kire no ti so obi asebe na adwen wo fom e na obetumi aka sa asem we akire ne dia daada no se wa adwen ni fom a wa adwen wo fom wa adwen wo fom nti mesre enkramofo na me say kraboni bia mon tagi nkramofo na mame enkramofo na mon tagi o mame minyanum kramofo mon tagi o mame said this is the plan of the NDC. This is the plan of the NDC. NDC per se si anan kramofo no omo sen kramofo kuo e wo Ghana ha nti omo use Dr. Bawumai e fa Kelvin Taylor so e fa Kelvin Taylor so si ade Kelvin Taylor and as you see, I'm paying for air so they are said Dr. Bawumai, according to Kelvin Taylor. According to Kelvin Taylor, I am sure some movie what TikTok way so no. My who saw video now, Kelvin Taylor, yeah, and me sure someone who be. Ebusia, Mama Yenya is ad no. Mama Yenya is ad no. Ye here obi obetumi develop on ye here obi obetumi ama Ghana akonkan na Ghana be konkan a eye nipa ba akopɛ no obetumi aboa Dr. Bawumai. Yes, and religious what affiliation and found in the religious affiliation. So ye Kremoni, so ye Hindu, so ye Christian, so ye way and found. So and Kremofono, what is wrong with you? And Kremofo, what is wrong with you? Mo how pa they saying Kremofo, mo how pa they saying, and I'm more Ghana. If I Dr. Bawumai, wait till they say, man, here, eh? Say Kremofo, man, ye na ba way, a shremo. And one no Kremoni embe digana so da till thy end. So we ask the baby and Kremoni beyond to be Mama be dear about a friend saying Ghana so. And this is why we say Emfa. It's the only thing now by any say, yeah.
Happened in Togo. I tell you guys, I didn't know more to ever call rally catcher and conform in Ghana cities.
How do you go to somebody's country, you, national security in your country, go to somebody's country to do the job in that country so that you will have a fair election in your country? Mentasi. there is a problem in your country about your elections. So you have gone to somebody's country to repair the problem there in that country. And then blast a dynamite in that country. And then pick people from that country to go to the town to tell the people in the town not to come near their own border because of the next country. Eyakosia. Hopsi, eyakosia. Mo be am yo in the mababa kikama na wan show. Onu no be am yaw. Hey. Inti papa your friend and Alan Chamanti, where Jimmy sa? Alan Kojo Chamanti, where Jimmy sa? Besin de woo nyansa ayeda Frankenstein. Ihu nyansa issue anything on the stupidity of hopeless adoye. The same thing, you didn't exhibit any maturity or some sort of dislike when kwasiye okajina wu edru so work no kaka kwasiya sam fa dombo fo hono me hu se alantramantia beka nyansesem biara da say Hobson wan kasa ye or on behalf of Hobson I apologize we your giant alantramantia kronfo yi we your giant me so kronfo I mean to say you now na otunto Ghana high commission adan or America no kwasiya penny Tina ho ndahwe Hobson adoye manzi kwasiasam otumukura ka ho se plans no omode toto sa dynamite no on tre host no because they are going to use that strategy for afafanto we are boa you don't think say yate you don't think say atoyetrim you don't think say now we all know say for Hobson to be in charge of your party it means ni amode kwano no how to illegally disenfranchise people from voting according to Hobson. He took matters into his own hands. Osi obians man no kofa dynamite. But say no Hobson say after their dynamite no kotu Togo. Wow. Also whatever happened in Togo. It didn't happen in Volta region Biomo, it happened in Togo.
Togo pada bontu na enu je ko ye ejuma no e wo Togo so e be ki sure say ye ne parliament sisi ni na akata
Yeah
e be ya omo go for ejede ema whatever happened in Togo I tell you guys I think omo ho ye mo di moto e ko run catch them ko fo mo nyina